Now, it is no surprise at this point in time that the entire world market has been in a downturn for the past few months. And unsurprisingly, the crypto market has been caught in this death spiral as well. This death spiral has seen Bitcoin falling all the way from its high of $69,000 down to its present low of $20,000. And we could see the market continue to fall even further. So in this episode of Markets Review, we're going to be taking a look at where the markets could be heading to in the near future, and where you should be looking to take some short-term profits, and where you should be looking to buy the dip should the market continue to fall any further. So still speaking about Bitcoin, like I said, the price is currently around $20,000, to be specific $21,000. Now during the week, Bitcoin fell to its low of $17,000 and since then have been recovering. But I don't see this as the end for the bear market. For the bear market to be over, Bitcoin has to break $30,000 and then continue to go higher. So if we remain under $30,000, there is a big chance that the market will continue going lower. But in case if the market is going to continue going higher from here and then break $30,000, the present prices are a pretty good spot to actually buy the dip. And if you're able to buy this dip and you would like to take some profits, a good spot to do so would be at $30,000, because there is nothing stopping the price from getting to $30,000, at least technically. But if the market continues to fall, we could definitely see Bitcoin fall all the way to as low as $12,000. So it doesn't mean anything is wrong with Bitcoin. It doesn't mean Bitcoin is going to zero or anything like that. It's basically just the financial markets of the world that are bringing down the price of these assets. The crypto market is now part of the financial markets of the world. So if they continue to fall in prices and then we keep seeing more bad news in the financial markets of the world and more financial stress, it is possible that we could see Bitcoin fall even further towards $12,000. Remember the last time I made my video, Bitcoin was sitting at around $30,000 and I said that it is possible that we could see Bitcoin fall to a low of $19,000, and we could clearly see that Bitcoin finally did, but there were a lot of factors at play that led to that price drop. And it's mainly centered around the global financial stress that is currently going on around the world. So if we see that continue to happen, it is possible that we could see Bitcoin continue to drop in price. But like I said, it's not something for you to be scared about, or it's not something for you to be worried about. Instead, you should see that as an opportunity to buy this dip, because once the world's economy starts recovering again, we will definitely see Bitcoin heading back to the top and breaking even its previous high of $69,000. So I'm going to say it again. If we do not see Bitcoin head towards the price of $30,000, which is also a good spot for you to take some profit if you actually bought the dip at present prices, we could still see Bitcoin fall lower towards $12,000. It doesn't mean that it's guaranteed that it's going to do that. I am just saying that based on what I am looking at the charts, just as I was able to see that Bitcoin could fall towards $19,000, it's the same exact way that I'm saying that Bitcoin could fall towards $12,000. And this is also going to set a precedent for the rest of the market. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. Now Ethereum is one that we've seen fall into the triple digits. It fell all the way from close to $4,000 to, within the past week, $900. So if you're able to catch that dip, congratulations to you. You are currently in some profits right now. And if you're looking for some place to take some profits, $1,400 is a good place to take some profit. Now, if you see Bitcoin continue to move higher towards $30,000, we could obviously see Ethereum move towards the $1,700 level and even towards the $2,000 level. So those are a good spot for you to take some profits. But there is a chance that if Ethereum gets to $1,400 and if Bitcoin continues to drop, we could see Ethereum fall even lower. So if you didn't catch the dip of buying Ethereum at the high 900s, you could get another opportunity to buy Ethereum again at $900. So if you're looking to do that, definitely set a buy limit at $900, because it is possible that we could see Ethereum continue to fall towards that price. Now let's take a look at Cardano. Honestly, Cardano is one that has just been holding its value strongly ever since Bitcoin has been dropping in price. Okay, Cardano has been in this tight range of 40 cents and 60 cents for the past few weeks. Okay, so even when Bitcoin fell towards $18,000, I was expecting Cardano to drop towards the 40 cents and even 35 cents, but Cardano has just been holding strong. And that's because even during this bear market, the Cardano community has been developing itself and has been growing very rapidly. So it's almost to no surprise that their price has been holding very strongly. Even when Bitcoin has been dropping in price, Cardano has just been holding steady in price. It has kind of been ranging from a price of 40 cents to 50 cents, and currently we can see the price right now is at 50 cents. So it still remains the case that Bitcoin controls the market, but I gotta say Cardano has been holding its price very strongly. But like I said, and I always say, Bitcoin controls the rest of the market, and it is still possible for us to still see Bitcoin fall towards $12,000. So if that happens and we see Bitcoin tracking down towards that point, we could still see Cardano even fall towards or fall back towards 40 cents and even towards 35 cents. So those are a great buying opportunity for you to actually buy the dip for that. And I'm specific about Cardano because if you guys watch my last video that I made about the future of passive income, if you've not watched that video, I'm going to have it in the description below. I made a very big deal of how many Cardano you should get. All right, and Cardano falling in price makes it very easy for you to get to that goal of how much Cardano you need to accumulate in your lifetime, right? So if you've not watched that video, go watch it and you would see why Cardano falling in price, it's a very huge advantage to you at this point in time because we are in a bear market. Okay, every good cryptocurrency out there is falling in price. Bitcoin is falling in price, Ethereum is falling in price, Cardano is falling in price, VECHAIN is falling in price, any other cryptocurrency is falling in price. But does it mean that these cryptocurrencies are not doing great things? They are doing great things, but it's just because of we are in a bear market. That is why the crypto market is falling down in price. All right, so let's take a look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is one that I covered a few weeks ago as well. And I said that yes, it is a meme coin, but it's still something that at least you can just buy a lot of, even with the little amounts that you have. As you can see, Dogecoin is currently sitting at 6 cents, fell all the way to 5 cents, currently on track to 7 cents. Okay, so if you would like to buy Dogecoin, a good price or a good spot to have done so would have been at the 5 cents area, but right now we can see that it's currently heading towards 7 cents. So you kind of want to wait for what the market does when it gets to 7 cents. So when Dogecoin gets to 7 cents, you want to see what it does, because if Bitcoin continues to fall any lower, there is a very great chance that we could see Dogecoin fall even lower. So if you couldn't buy Dogecoin at 5 cents, there's a very great chance that you will get an opportunity again very soon. But even at present prices, honestly, you could buy it. It doesn't really matter. It is a meme coin after all. So you can buy it at present price. And if you guys remember what I said in my video, Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu, which one is better? I said most people buying Dogecoin are looking for the price to get to $1, right? And I still personally believe so, that it is possible for Dogecoin to get to $1, but obviously that is when the bull market resumes again, right? So even if Dogecoin doesn't even get to $1, buying it at these prices is actually a great opportunity for you to accumulate as many as you can. And like I said, this is a meme coin. It's not something that you should be putting a lot of money into anyways. So $10, it's enough. Just buy it and then you'll be able to accumulate a lot of it, and then just sit on it and wait for, you know, when it goes up in price and it's able to give you an extra money to do something that you always want to do or something like that. So for those of you looking to buy Dogecoin, this is definitely what you should do. Now, as for XRP, XRP is one that fell all the way to its low of 31 cents. I don't know if I covered XRP in my last video, but I was looking at this 31 cents area as a good spot for you to buy the dip for XRP. Now it has started recovering from that area and currently at 37 cents. We could still see XRP head towards 45 cents. So if you would like to buy XRP, or you missed buying the dip at 31 cents and you still like to buy at present prices, although from present prices all the way to 45 cents is just a 21% return on your purchase, you could still buy XRP at present prices of 37 cents. Okay, so if you buy XRP at 37 cents right now and you would like to take some profit at 45 cents, you will still be making a 20% return. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead for it. And if XRP continues to go higher and break 45 cents, we could still see it head towards 55 cents. So just as 45 cents is a good spot to take some profit, if it continues to head higher, 55 cents is also still going to be a good spot to take some profits. So if you're buying XRP at present prices of 37 cents, okay, it's heading higher to 55 cents would be about a 50% return on your investment. But if it gets to 45 cents and turns around, you should still set a buy limit at 31 cents or 30 cents. That is still a good spot for you to buy the dip for XRP. And if the market continues to fall any further than that, we could see XRP fall all the way to 22 cents. So if you're looking to buy the dip for XRP even at a much better price, and that is if Bitcoin continues to fall, of course, we could definitely see XRP get to 22 cents. So that's also going to be a very good spot for you to buy the dip for XRP. Alright, so let's take a look at VECHAIN, and this is one that one of you guys requested for. I personally don't really have a lot of VECHAIN, so I'm not really so psyched about it, but let's review it because it's still showing some promising, price action. So as for VECHAIN, the price is currently at around 2 cents, and if you're looking to buy VECHAIN, honestly, this is a great spot for you to buy VECHAIN because it's currently at its low in the price chart. So as it continues to head higher, 3 cents is a great spot to take some profit for VECHAIN, and if it continues to head higher from that, 4 cents would be a good spot to also take some profit. So I'm going to repeat that again. If you're looking to buy VECHAIN, you should consider buying it even at present prices. It's a great spot for you to buy it, and then consider taking some profit at either 3 cents or 4 cents. Okay, and that's if you're looking to take some profit. If you're not looking to take some profit, even at present prices, it's a great spot for you to buy the dip for VECHAIN. Next after that, let's take a look at CRO. Alright, so this is a crypto.com's cryptocurrency. Alright, and this is also one that one of you guys told me to review as well. As for CRO, if you're able to buy CRO at 10 cents and you would like to take some profit, 13 cents would be a good spot for you to take some profit. But if you couldn't catch that dip of 10 cents, don't worry. If the market continues to fall in price, we could see CRO revisit the 10 cents area, so you should consider setting some buy limit at 10 cents. And if the market continues to drop even further, we could see CRO visit 5 cents. So you should consider setting some buy limit at 10 cents and 5 cents because these are the likely spots for CRO to touch if Bitcoin continues to fall in price. Now let's take a look at Solana for those who are still interested in Solana. Quick fact, Solana actually just released the phone during the week. Like literally, they now have a mobile phone, right? So I guess this is part of what made Solana jump in price. If you actually bought Solana during the dip, I think the last time I mentioned that I would like to buy Solana, I said I would like to buy it at $23, but the market didn't actually get to $23. It only got to $27 before it started turning around in price. Now, is it going to continue going up in price? Well, I doubt it, especially if Bitcoin continues to fall down in price. But as we can see, the market didn't actually get to our price of $23 and it has started going up in price. So it's currently heading to $50. So if you were one of the people that were able to buy it even at $27 or something like that, or at least in the high 20s, right? If you're looking to take some profit, $50 is still a good spot for you to take some profits. But I personally am still going to be waiting for Solana to get to $23, and that's if I'm still interested in buying it. I'm still going to be waiting for it to get to $23 because it is inevitable that Solana will come down to $23 if Bitcoin continues to fall down in price. But if, by some miracle, Solana starts actually improving, their blockchain stops shutting down, and then they start becoming great again, even at present prices of even $42, right, it's still a very great price to buy it at, because this is something that fell all the way from $258, right? So buying it right now is still like you're buying it at a bargain, and then when the market starts recovering again, it could get back to its high and even surpass it. I personally don't see that happening, but then again, based on the backings that this cryptocurrency has, it is something that is still, you know, possible. But there are a lot of other great cryptocurrencies out there that I can put my money into, like Cardano, Bitcoin, and a few others, than me, you know, putting my money in something like this. But, you know, if this is something that you're interested in, you can definitely go for it and buy the dip. Alright, so let's take a look at BNB. Honestly, just like Cardano, BNB is holding its price very well. You see, even with the price drop in Bitcoin, BNB should be like, you know, maybe like in $150 or something, but it just briefly fall all the way to like $180 and then quickly shot back up to $239. It shows you that people are still very interested in buying this cryptocurrency. And the partnerships that Binance has been creating, and the fact that even in this bear market that we see some exchanges having some problems, Binance has been very, very steadfast. And even when businesses are even laying off employees, right, Binance is like employing people. You know, they've been in the bear market, they've experienced stuff like this already in the past, so they've been better prepared for stuff like this now that it's here again, right? So it's actually no surprise that their cryptocurrency as well has been holding very strong in price as well. So with that being said, if you're looking to buy some BNB, honestly, even at present prices, it's still a very great price for you to buy some BNB. All right, and there's nothing stopping it, at least on the charts, there's nothing stopping it from getting back to $340. So even if you buy BNB right now at present prices, okay, you still stand to make about a 41% return if price gets back to $340, and that is a great spot to take some profit, at least in the near term. And then obviously if it continues to head higher, we could still see it get back to $400, but we've not seen it in $400 range for a while. So I feel like Bitcoin will have to get much higher, or probably get to $30,000 and probably much higher before we see BNB even get back to $400. But then again, it has been holding its ground very well, so Bitcoin might not need to even do much for us to see BNB get back to $400. But at least for the near term, if you're able to buy BNB even at present prices, $340 is a good spot for you to take some profit. Alright, so that's it for this video. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell right next to it. If you like to support this channel, which are going to be in the description below. And if you guys are interested in any cryptocurrency at all that you would like me to cover in my next market review, definitely put that in the comment section down below. So thank you very much for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.